This is a documentary on how you make s'mores. First, we lay the graham crackers out. See, we have 2 of them. 1, 2. We did it in halves. Well, this way they look even. Okay, those. Then you have a piece of chocolate. Now, you want to take and you want to roast your marshmallow first. See, there's the marshmallow. We'll roast it, but you have all your ingredients: your graham cracker, your marshmallow, and your chocolate. And one sappy dude. And that's the Marshmallow Maker right there. He's the one that's going to make our s'mores. Okay? All right. Hold on. Get your
okay.
get your marshmallow in place.
Okay.
Hurry up. No, don't do that, Tyler.
Here.
Get your marshmallow in place. All right. Put the marshmallow
Here
on
it is.
skewer, or whatever you call it. Skewer. There you go. Now we got to go cook it. Let's go. Next, you cook. Let's go over on the other side. We can do it better. You cook the marshmallow, and you want to stay at a fair distance so you don't get burned. And there he goes. He's cooking it. It is on fire. The marshmallow is on fire. Maybe that's a quick way of making a s'more. All right, we're making s'mores today. Wow, he's quick at that. This is Tyler. This is the guru that is making these s'mores.
Oh, great.
We're burning it again. Okay. Keep going. Okay, Tyler says it's done. We're going to put it on the graham cracker now. Okay, let's go. Place it on your graham cracker. Now take and put your chocolate on there, and then you take him. Dad, do you want to help him do that?
What?
Put his graham chocolate on there and place everything on there.
Here.
Okay, it takes a lot of coordination to make a s'more, as you can see. We're getting to. Oh, look at that! That looks like a yummy s'more. Hold it up so I can get a picture of it. Hold it up.
Then you eat it.
Then you eat it. Oh, Tyler, show us how to eat it. Oh, the other end, you're gooing out. Turn around. There you go. Take a big bite of it. Is it good? Nummy. That is how you make an excellent s'more. Thank you, Tyler, for doing this documentary for us. Documentary over.